As you can see, guys, I can play the highest graphics and the highest resolution on my brand new phone, the iPhone SE 2020 with ease. So I hope you see some differences in the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Automotive Activities, and today I will be reviewing a car that no other real driving sim YouTuber has really reviewed. Like, I'm maybe the first one. I've never seen anybody review this car. It's quite the good car, I say so. It's got the nice sound. Actually, it sounds more like a player for some reason. Can you reselect it? Whatever, but it sounds like pretty good. And it's a burnout monster. If you really want those burnouts, I feel like you should get this car. Like, just look at those burnouts. Those burnouts are what I call sick. And you know, this is a Ferrari, so if you want to flex on your friends real hard while you're playing this game, you can just buy this. It's a pretty fast car and nimble too. This is the interior. Whoa, the interior is like a race car. You got the gated manual shifter. You got carbon fiber, and it has a tacked on GPS at the side. Like, it looks pretty cool. As you can see, it has roll up windows, which is not that common in these kind of cars these days. The windshield is deeply rigged. I don't know why it is like that. And oh no, okay, I thought the gauges didn't work, but these gauges look like the Ferrari 430 Scuderia Challenge Stradale. It's like, this is like a race car brought back into like a city car. It looks menacing, I gotta say that. You got the nice hood scoops, and you got the nice spoiler, which is pretty reminiscent of something. I think this is like the Ferrari f40. But then from there, it's not as quick. Like, my Porsche 918 can do 200 in like 10 seconds. This would probably take 12 more. But this is a one solid car. I don't know why YouTubers don't review it. It's really nice. You got the nice engine bay cover. You got the nice rear headlights. You got quad exhaust pipes and everything. Oh no, we just crashed it. That would not be recoverable in real life. Come on, we really don't get stuck. Okay, so we're gonna do a 0 to 100 if I can actually get there. Let's see if we can get there. Okay, I think, I'm on the wrong side. Okay. I'm gonna put the car right here, put it in neutral, rev it up, 3, 2, 1, drop it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. So around 4 seconds. That's pretty fast. And then let's do it again, but this time it's gonna do, I'm gonna do 0 to 200. 3, 2, 1, drop it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi, 14 Mississippi, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Exactly 20 seconds. I predicted that. Okay, so that will be the wrap of this video. Until next time, stay tuned for some more videos, and this will be Automotive Activities signing out. Hippity hoppity. This Ferrari right here is now my property. And anyways, let's get back to the video.